Hello, this is Jeff with Vierinks RV Center here in Nuevo. Here we have the 2025 soft side 1251 Palomino truck camper. This truck camper is designed to sit in a 6.5 foot bed, and it can go in a 1/2 ton pickup. So a lot of value packed into this camper. First of all, we'll start with the Lippert ladder system that's on the side here. You can hook up their ladder, telescoping ladder there. We have an on-demand water heater, tankless water heater. So we have power jacks on front and back, as well as a power lift for the soft side top. So it's all push a button, no cranking or anything like that. This truck camper is also equipped with two 200-watt solar panels on top and a lithium battery. Let's go inside. So here we are inside the soft side 1251 Palomino truck camper. It's got a north-south bed, which is nice. Storage on both sides. It's got a fantastic fan to help regulate the air inside the camper. Has a wet bath with the skylight above it. Nice refrigerator, furnace, cooktop, sink, solar controller. This is a great pickup truck camper for a 1/2 ton pickup. These panels roll up to give you a window, and then they zip open for a screen. So if there's a nice breeze going through, you'll get to feel that. We have storage in the front of the bed here. All in all, just a nice pickup camper with everything you need to get out and get away. I'm Jeff with Vierinks RV Center. My number is 231-974-3325. Thank you and have a wonderful day.